What's up, guys? I'm back, and I just wanted to go over an alternative to Coinbase because Coinbase, people want to buy Bitcoin. Coinbase is very complicated, very confusing. It takes a long time to be approved in some cases. Sometimes you don't get any feedback from the company, and you don't know what's going on. So I like Verwox. This is actually better. I actually use this and Gemini before I use Coinbase. Alright? This is the first thing I've used. So I just wanted to explain how to actually deposit money into Verwox to get Bitcoin. This is the first, probably easiest, simplest fiat to Bitcoin transfer service there is. So first you have the Verwox terminal, pay terminal in my virtual community. This gives you a lot of options. You have PayPal Express, which allows you 480 USD per day, or I think it's 400 euros. The British pound, I think that's the Chinese currency, I'm not sure. Sorry, I don't know what CHF is. You have soft banking. Alright, this allows you a max of 250 euro. You have Skrill, which allows USD and euro transfers. And you have OKPay, which again, euro, USD, CHF, and British pound. So, and then here are all the options, the fees. Okay. PayPal Express. Typical PayPal fees. You have the soft banking is 2.5%. PaySafe card is a lot, right? Very expensive, right? And then you have Skrill, 49 cents plus 3.5%, and then OKPay is free. And then you have the 30-day limits here, and then 24-hour limits. Alright, so you can move about 5,000 a month, depending on what you're using. And that should be enough for most people. Most people are not dealing with that much money. So that's what you do. So essentially what you do to start out is you go to deposit, and it's going to take you to this page where you're going to put in whatever amount you want, right? Let's say 454 US dollars. Go to checkout, it'll take you to PayPal, you go through the PayPal process, then it takes you to the USD to SLL, which you'll have to do. It'll convert USD to the Lindens, which is the Verwox exchange, I guess you could say currency. You convert that, then you convert your SLL and go here to BTC, and then it will do that for you. Okay, and then, you exchange your SLL to BTC, go to next, and then you'll have your, Bitcoin. And then you go to withdraw, and you withdraw your Bitcoin to the address that you want to withdraw to, and it takes about 1 to 2 hours. And that's it. I mean, it's really that simple. There's really nothing more to it. You have a few different currencies you can exchange: ACD, CHF, Euro, so on and so forth. So you can exchange from a few different currencies, but this is the quickest, fastest way, and you don't have to do any KYC. You don't have to do anything. All right, you just use PayPal or whatever you want to use and transfer the Bitcoin. Alright, guys, that's it. Alright, take care. Check out StateCube. Check out Verwox. Sign up for an account. And I'll talk to you soon. Peace.